Drawing art. Fun and enjoy.
Hello friends! Today, we're going to draw a super cute character from the Sanrio family. My Melody. First, her big, bright eyes. Draw 2 ovals in the middle of her face. Perfect! Now, let's give her a cute, rounded face. Then, let's draw My Melody's adorable bunny ears. Start by drawing 2 long, curved lines at the top of her head. Don't forget her tiny nose. Draw a small oval right in between her eyes, and for her smile, draw a little U shape underneath the nose. Time for the strawberry. Draw a big, heart-shaped strawberry in her hands. Don't forget to add the little seeds and the leaves on top. Now, let's draw her arms reaching out to hold the strawberry. Draw 2 small curved lines coming from the sides of her face. Make sure her hands are big enough to hold a juicy strawberry. Great! Now, let's draw My Melody's body. Draw a rounded shape right under her face, like she's sitting down comfortably. Then, draw her cute little feet sticking out at the bottom. She's so relaxed holding her strawberry. Now, it's time to add some color. My Melody is pink, and her strawberry is bright red with green leaves. Grab your crayons or markers and let's bring her to life with some color. Wow! Look at that! My Melody looks so sweet and cheerful holding her strawberry. You did an amazing job! Let's draw another Sanrio character. We're diving into the world of cuteness as we draw the one and only Cinnamoroll with colorful umbrella. Let's draw the umbrella. Imagine it's raining candy or confetti. What colors would you choose for the umbrella? I'm thinking of a rainbow of colors to brighten up Cinnamoroll's day. What about you? Next, let's draw Cinnamoroll's adorable floppy ears while holding a super colorful umbrella. Let's bring our drawing to life with some vibrant colors. I'm using pastel blues, pinks, and yellows for Cinnamoroll, and going all out with the umbrella. Don't forget to make the handle cute. We're done. Our adorable Cinnamoroll holding a vibrant umbrella. Don't forget to share your version with me. I'd love to see your creativity in action. Thanks for drawing with me today. And remember, a splash of color can brighten anyone's day. You can leave a comment below for your suggestion drawing, and we will try to draw in our next video.